Hey, what's up? Jace with Marketing High, and today we're going to actually go over something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. Partly of what I'm doing this year is I'm trying to expose what's going on in the marketing agency, especially digital marketing. And there's a lot of scams going on. Probably 90% of marketing agencies aren't doing what they say they're going to do. And so today we're going to talk about the truth about SEO, which SEO stands for search engine optimization, or getting your website to page 1 of Google. Okay, so I deal with businesses all the time. Just yesterday I was talking to a company and they were promised SEO. They were paying $500 a month. They were getting one blog on their website that was about 350 words, and they've been paying it for over a year and not one thing was happening. Funny thing is their website wasn't even indexed. So another company, we talked to a real estate agent yesterday. They were promised they were promised SEO, that they would get to page 1 on both Google Maps. And I went to their website, looked at it. They had one page. That was it. No other content. Got it? So I'm telling you, this is one of the biggest kind of scams out there going on, and we're going to expose it. So the next time when somebody approaches you or you get a phone call, don't fall for it. You need to understand how search engine optimization works so you can make a good decision. So first off, this is my sketch of a Google page. Okay, it's pretty nice, but this is what it looks like. So you have, if you search for anything, you're going to have these top 3 and sometimes top 4 spots. This is an ad, this is an ad, this is an ad. And then usually in the maps, this spot right here, this number 1 spot, this can be an ad also. So you got top 4, top 5 spots, those are ads. Back in the day, a lot of that was just organic search. And you didn't have to compete with all these ads. Well, anymore, it's almost a pay-to-play game. So immediately, if somebody comes up to you, get you number 1 spot in Google, there's an issue with that. Because, let's go down, you have all these paid ads, then you have Google Maps that's right here, and then after that, you're going to have 3 positions that are available, and then you have probably another ad. And nobody ever goes to page 2, so being on page 2, you might get a little traffic, but it's really not worth getting there. So if you want to do well, you need to be in one of these top 3 positions. And I have a lot of pages on my own companies in this top 3rd and 2nd. Where I want to be is number 1, but it is so hard to get there. And I've created a lot of excellent content. Okay, here's the problem with that. If you want to take over these spots, you have to beat out these companies. So Yelp, public company, millions upon millions of dollars. Thumbtack, Home Advisor, other companies like Fortune, Business Magazine. So these big editorial companies, newspapers, Google puts them here. Okay, they pay a lot of their bills, and it's not like a little plumber in California is going to also all of a sudden wipe out Yelp. So you have all ads, map position, okay, and here's where you can dominate here if you'd like. But this is all dependent upon location, okay? So if anyone promises you the top number 1 spot, okay, Google is getting so good at putting location where they're based is kind of who's going to take this top 1. But you can get the top 3. My suggestion is, if you want to be in the maps, just run a simple ad. Take that number 1 spot. But it's not likely. I hope you can understand the likelihood of you beating out these types of companies for these spots is not good. Okay, and if they're a very competitive keyword that drives a lot of traffic, trust me, these guys are going to be there. Okay, now let me explain why. So here's what you're being sold, and here's what reality is like. First off, you're being sold first page of Google. If you hear anyone tell you that, you better run. Got it? If you hear anyone tell you that you're going to get results within the first month, you better run. If they tell you they're going to create your content, okay, some companies create good content, most of them do not. Now, like I said, results in month 1. If you're going to get results in month 1, you need to play this game. You need to pay to play. Just buy some ads. Okay, but then there's a lot that goes in this because you can lose a lot of money in the ad game too. So here's reality. They're promising 1 month. Reality is 6 to 12 months. You are not going to get on page 1 for any popular keyword that means anything for at least 6 to 12 months. Sometimes 24 months. Got it? That's just the way it is. You have to create a lot of content. Google has to start recognizing that, hey, I'm producing stuff. Massive amounts of content. When I say massive amounts, if you're a new website, you need to be blogging 1,500 word articles at least once a week. Okay, you can't. What most agencies do is they'll go out there and they'll produce a 350 word article, and that doesn't work. And go look at your own articles right now that you've had produced, if you paid for any, and you'll notice they're garbage and those aren't going to work. Got it? 1,500 word minimum. Backlinks. So a backlink is basically a vote from another website that's saying, go here. Example, if Fortune Magazine, you wrote an article for Fortune Magazine and they link to your website. So in that article on Fortune Magazine, there's a link to your website. That's a backlink. Okay, you need those. Those are kind of like votes. And to tell you the truth, Google could change that rule anytime. They did back in 2013, where they came out and said, well, backlinks are good, but if there are any spamming backlinks, we're going to penalize you. So a lot of good businesses, I actually had one website that had got negative SEO'd. There was like 1,500 backlinks that showed up in one day, and Google hit us. So on-page SEO, this means your website has to be not indexed correctly. Your title tags, your description tags, the way your pages are laid out, your hierarchy, like if you're a plumbing company, and below that you need to have like leak detection, mold detection, and then below that you need to have like a hierarchy of articles pointing up to all these optimized pages. So you have to have on-page optimization, and then the structure of everything does matter if you want to compete on SEO. Got it? So this is reality, but what people don't understand is the 6 to 12 months, you're not going to get anywhere. If you sign up for an SEO agency, you need to give them 6 to 12 months. But what happens is people are signing up for SEO agencies and they're not creating all this other stuff. So the 6 to 12 months goes by, they've lost thousands of dollars and they're nowhere to be found. Got it? So hope that helped. Just be careful out there. I'm just seeing it more and more of these poor guys that come in and they're like, I've been paying somebody $500 a month. I've been paying somebody $5,000 a month. And they're telling me they're doing SEO. Well, now you know what it takes. If they're producing simple little 300 word articles, you know they're junk. If they're telling you they're going to get to there in 1 month, you know they're junk. Got it? So be careful. Hope this helps you. If you have questions, reach out anytime. Go to our website, marketinghigh.com, watch our other videos, and we'd be happy to help. And especially if you're looking to do SEO, we'd like to help you, but just know it's a ton of work. But we can help you do it. So have fun. Peace.